Hop into the 2023 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, keyless start, remote engine start, hybrid, Bluetooth connection. Get the truck that's both strong and comfortable to drive. Get into the Ram 1500.